Today we're going to be tackling the solar panels. I've been on board two 180 watt solar panels and a Victron 100 volt 30 amp controller MPPT. Bought them off these guys. Educated in the way of solar. Any questions, you just message him and ask him, and he'll tell you exactly what you need to know, and he'll guide you in the right direction. It's very competitive when it comes to pricing. His knowledge is way beyond what I know. He guided me down the right path, gave me a good deal, all this that. So give him a hit up, mention me if you like, tell him that I sent you, and he'll hopefully do you a good deal. Right, so what I've done so far is I've bought two 3 metre length blister. This is what's called a unistrut. Bought it off eBay, 3 metre lengths, two 3 metre lengths. Basically bolt this to the roof of your van, and then you get some special nuts that slide in there, and then you can mount your solar panels like that. You've seen loads of videos of that anyway. Each solar panel is 100mm wide, so basically 1 metre. So I've cut this 2 metres and 5 centimetres just to give me a bit of tolerance each side. There's only so much gap I've got between my vents that I'm going to be installing. So what I've already done yesterday is I'll give it a coat of black paint. Now today I'm going to be giving it a silver. Decided to roll on. I quite like the stippled effect that it gives you rather than brush them out. I find painting onto galvanised doesn't really stick overly well as you apply it, so you get lots of streaks and brush marks, and even the roller struggles. But a couple of coats of black just give a nice effect. You won't really see it because anyone who knows the Sprinter crafters, the roof actually goes down to the top lip, so you're probably only going to see the top sort of centimetre of that. I'm also going to do the same with the edge of the solar panel, just so it all looks a bit nicer. Okay, so we're up on the roof. Got the unistrut all painted as you saw in the last video. Unfortunately the battery went flat on the GoPro when I was painting the solar panels. It's just masking off and spray painting. So I've lined it up where I want it to be, taking into account I'm going to be mounting max air vents a bit later on. Unfortunately where I ideally want to put the max strut, I've got 4 bolts that line up with the proper bolt holes, but one of them don't. It's nothing too major, I'll just create another hole. So, first things first, mark where the holes want to be. I'm going to go for 5 bolts along there. They're only lightweight solar panels, shouldn't take much holding down. So, here we go. There we go, so they're marked out. What I'm hoping to do is be able to just flick these grommets out and let them insert in, and I might get them out. See how we get them. Tool that you put these rib nuts in, nutserts, whatever you want to call them. This is the tool you use. I'll put a link in the description. I got it off eBay. It's £23. That was including postage, so not exactly a lot of money. Wind that on, and you've obviously got thread sticking out. That's enough. Right, so as you see, I put some paint on the metal, and we'll see probably not necessary, but edge on the side of caution. You can see it's all in there, it's got sealant around it, so it should actually be watertight, but I'll put some sealant around the thread as well before I put the bolt in. I don't intend on taking these out again, so should be alright, so I'll get on with the rest of them. Okay, just thought I'd come inside and show you what it looks like on the inside. Obviously there's quite a bit of sealant been pushed through on the thread. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more sealant around here. And there, look. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's one of them's in a box section. Let's see if I can get to that one. In there. You see it? I'll see if I can get some sealer in there. But anyway, yeah, I'll get that sealed up and get back to you in a second. Alright, managed to get some sealer in there. Don't know if you can see it. Sealer in there, sealer in there, sealer in there, there. I don't think that's going to be leaking. It's all going to be hidden under insulation, boarding. I don't really give a monkey what it looks like. I'll show you from the top now. You can see. Okay, so this is what goes into the uni strut. Basically the spring keeps that pushed up. There's little serrations on the bottom of the inner lip of the uni strut. They go into these little teeth so it doesn't slide backwards and forwards. So once you tighten it up, you've got it. So basically just slide it to where you need it. I've got these stainless steel 8mm thread, 13mm head, and they've got a flange on them. Got some stainless steel washers, shake-proof washers. Basically the teeth compress down, and the more it compresses down it either bites into the metal or it fills that void to make it as tight as possible. So in order to release them teeth, it's got to unturn, but it can't undo until them teeth are released, so it takes quite a bit of force so they don't just shake loose. So there's no need to thread lock on them or anything like that. I'm going to leave them loose for a minute because I might need to slide the solar panel backs and forwards to get it exactly where I want, and then once I've got the second panel up I'll lift them all up, make sure they're all tight. So these are all stainless steel, all the nuts and bolts I've used have been stainless steel. I even machine polished all the roof last night. Sorry about the noise again. DIY neighbourhood this is. Machine polished all the roof. I ain't going to get to do it again once the solar panels are on, so I thought I might as well do it all last night. So yeah, let's see what it looks like from ground level. Look alright. Right, let's get on to the next one. so we're all installed, just waiting on the gland that protects the wires that go through the roof. I've just hooked up a voltmeter. We're getting 52.4 volts. 53 volts. Anyway, as soon as the wire glands in, the wires can be put inside the van. I don't want to go and put a hole in the van until I get the sealing gland, but that'll do. So that about wraps up this episode of the camper van build. If you like what you've seen, please like, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget to ring that little bell icon. Thanks a lot. Bye.